Good morning, Kinderstars. Today is a math day and we're doing it a little different. Maybe this will help some. Let's start with our dot cards today. So how many do you see here? That's right, 2. Here? Yeah, 10. That should be 10. 3. 6. Good job. 2. 1. How many is that? I know Lexi knows it. 10. That's right. 5. 5. 4. Yes, good job. 8. 6. 7. This is a tricky one. That's right, it's 9. And 7. 7. 8. 4. 8. 9. 10. Good job, guys. Now let's move over and do our mountain math. Yesterday we knew that we had 14 stars over there on number 1. But what shape are all those stars making all together? Yeah, they're working together to make a circle. And what color are those stars? They're orange. They're different shades of orange, aren't they? And we know that 10 plus 4 makes 14. That's right. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Can we count to 14? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Way to go, guys. Good job. All right, let's look at number 2. Let's count. 77, 70, 79, 80, 81. Okay, so let's back up 2 over here. So we're going to back up to 75. Ready? 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. What if I start at 81 and I count backwards 2? 81, 80, 79. That's right. So if I start at 80 and I'll hop backwards 2, which one number am I going to land on? 78. That's right. If I started at 78 and I made 3 hops forward, where would I be? 1, 2, 3. I'd be at 81, wouldn't I? Good job. Let's look at number 3. Yesterday we determined that this was the number 16. And how many suns were there yesterday? 16. Not yesterday. I guess it was Tuesday. Sorry, guys. I'm getting my days mixed up. So we have 16 suns. What if I split those in half? How many do I have up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, so I have 8 here. How many do you think I have down here? I have 8. That's right, because 8 plus 8 is 16. That's a good way of looking at 16. That's another way to make 16. Another way to make 16 is to say 10 plus 6 is 16. All right, let's look at number 4. How many dots are over here? And how many dots are over here? So is 7 less than, greater than, or equal to 3? That's right, it's greater than. So I would choose this symbol because the crocodile's mouth, the greater gator, is open up to the side he wants to eat the most, and he wants the most food. Let's look at number 5. What's this number? And what's this number? That's right. And so 0 is it less than, greater than, or equal to 5? That's right. 0 is less than 5. And so I would choose this one because the greater gator's mouth is opened up to the greatest side. He wants to eat 5 cookies, not just 0 cookies. Okay, so we decided that this watermelon problem, it was a plus problem or minus problem? Yeah, it's a plus problem, and it means that we're putting things together. So how did we figure this out? We said there's 3 watermelons here, and then we counted on. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 watermelons all together. Now down here we have cots. And what kind of problem is this? Is this a plus problem or a minus problem? That's right, it's a minus problem. It's a subtraction problem. So are we going to add to this number of cots, or are we going to take away from this number of cots? That's right, we're taking them away. How many cots do we need to take away? 3. So we took these 3 away. That means we have how many left? Yes, we have 3 left. Good job, guys. Let's go up here to number 8. It's our word problem of the day. And it says, Nick had 5 presents to open on his birthday. He opened 2 of them. How many more does he have left to open? So we knew he had 5 and we took 2 away. What if he had 6 presents and we took 2 away? So show me 6 fingers. Now take 2 of them away. And how many do you have left? 4, that's right. So if he'd had 6 presents and he opened 2 of them, he would have 4 left to open. Let's look at number 9. We have how many dots here? Yes, 3. And how many dots here? Yes, 2. Good job. So how many dots do we have altogether? 5. That's correct. Way to go. All right, let's look at number 10. How many dots are here? That's right, we have 1. How many more would we need to fill that up and make it 10? 9 more. That's right. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Let's look at number 11. How many tens frames do we have filled up? 1. And so we would put a 1 here. How many ones do we have left over not in a tens frame? 2. So we would put a 2 here, and that would make a 1 and a 2. So let's count all those. 10, 11, 12. Good job. That's counting on, and we need to remember how to do that. What did we say this was right here? Do you remember? Yeah, it's a stopwatch, and it measures the time it takes to do something. But what shape is our stopwatch in? Yes, it is a circle. And what color does it look like it might be? Silver. Yep. Have you ever used a stopwatch before? Why don't you go today and have someone use their stopwatch on their phone to measure how long it takes you to run from one place to another? That would be a fun way to use a stopwatch and see how long that takes. And see if you can beat your time from the first time you did it to the second time to the third time. Go play with a stopwatch. Everybody has one on their phone. Look on number 13. What did we say this was? This is a cone because guess what? If you turn it upside down, you can put ice cream in it. That's my favorite kind of cone, an ice cream cone. Is this a flat shape or a solid shape? It's a solid shape because you can hold it in your hand. It's solid. All right. What color is this? Blue. What color is this? Yes. And what shape is this? It's a square. How many sides does a square have? Good. And how many corners? Good. How many sides does this have? Yeah, 3 and so we call this a triangle because tri is another way of saying 3. So 3 sides and 3 corners makes it a triangle. Okay, guys, you're so smart. Tell me what this is. That's right, it's a graph. And what do we use a graph for? Yes, to organize information and data. And so today we're looking at fruit. And we have Jamie, who has 6 pieces of fruit. Jesse has 4, and Luke has 4. Who has the most fruit? Yes, Jamie has the most fruit. Good job. Who has the least amount of apples? Luke has the least amount of apples. He only has 1 apple. All right, nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. We have 3 nickels. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have how much money? 15 cents. We have 15 cents today. Good job, guys. Okay, guys, let's look at this 10 frame. How many dots do you see? 1. That's right. And how many do you need to make 10? Yes. How many dots do you see here? That's right, 2. And how many do we need to make 10? 8. 8 is the correct answer. How many dots do you see here? 3. And how many do we need to make 10? 7. Good job. How many dots do you see here? 4. And how many do you need to make 10? 6. Great, guys. Come on, let's do this next one. How many dots do you see here? 5. That's right. So how many do I need to make 10? Just 5 more. Good job. How many dots do you see here? Yeah, 6. And how many do I need to make 10? 4. Good. How many dots do we see here? 7. And how many do I need to make 10? Just 3 more. How many dots do I see here? 8. Good job. And how many do I need to make 10? Yeah, 2 more. How many dots are in this 10 frame? There's 9. And how many do I need to make 10? I just need 1 more, don't I? All right, let's look at this last one. How many dots are in this 10 frame? Yeah, there's 10. So how many dots do I need? I don't need any more to make 10. Good job, guys. You're doing a really great job with all your math. I love when your parents send me your math work so I can see how you're doing, and I really appreciate that. Y'all keep up the good work. You are phenomenal. Kiss your brain.